Good morning, students. Standard 8th History Unit 2. Now we are going to learn from this lesson from trade to territory. Part 2. Carnatic Wars. Three Carnatic Wars were fought between various Indian rulers, British and French. Then Britain and France were rival countries in Europe. Their rivalry continued in India over trade and territories. First Carnatic War. The First Carnatic War main causes the war sparked between France and England held up in India. It broke out between them two eager to extend their relations in India. Dupleix, the French governor of Pondicherry, wanted to drive away the English from India. Result of the First Carnatic War. The First Carnatic War came to an end. The Treaty of Aix-la-Chapelle. Second Carnatic War. Second Carnatic War main causes the issue of succession in Carnatic and Hyderabad. Anwardi Khan and Santa Sahib throne of Carnatic. The Nasir Shah and Muzaffar Shah throne of Hyderabad. The French supported Santa Sahib and Muzaffar Shah, while the British supported the other claimants with the objectives of keeping their interest and influence in the entire Deccan regions. Robert Clive. He left a strong army in St. George, and with 200 British soldiers and 300 sepoys, he marched towards Arcot. He seized the Arcot without much effort. Result of the Second Carnatic War. The English emerged successful in the war. The Treaty of Pondicherry. Third Carnatic War. Third Carnatic War main causes. In 1756, 7 years war started in Europe, resulted in conflict between France and British in India. Sir Eyrecourt. The British commander Sir Eyrecourt defeated the French under Count Lally at Battle of Vandivas in 1760. Pondicherry fell into the hands of British in 1761. So, Sir Eyrecourt called the hero of Vandivas. Result of Third Carnatic War. Santanagur and Pondicherry returned to French, but the administration fell to British. The Treaty of Paris. Mysore War. The state of Mysore rose to prominence in the politics of South India under the leadership of Hyder Ali 1760–1782. He and his son Tipu Sultan 1780–99 played a prominent role against the expansion of British Empire in India. 1761, Hyder Ali became the king of Mysore. He gave West India military training to his force. First Mysore War. First Anglo-Mysore War. First Anglo-Mysore War causes Hyder Ali's growing power and his friendly relations with the French became a matter of concern for the English East India Company. Then The Marathas, the Nizam, and the English entered into a triple alliance against Hyder Ali. Hyder Ali not fought to Marathir, defeat Nizam and Hyder Ali. At the end of the war, the Treaty of Madras was signed between Hyder Ali and British East India Company. Both the parties returned to the conquered territories and promised to help each other in case of any foreign attack on them. Second Mysore War, Second Anglo-Mysore War in 1780 to 1784. Second Anglo-Mysore War causes the English did not fulfill the terms of the treaties of 1769. When Hyder's territories were attacked in 1771 by Marathas, Hyder did not get help from the British. British captured Maghi, a French settlement within Hyder's jurisdiction. It led to the formation of an alliance by Hyder with the Nizam and Marathas against the English in 1779. Second Anglo-Mysore War goes in 1781. The British General Sir Ayrgood defeated Hyder Ali at Fort Nova. The Mysore force suffered another defeat at Solinger. Hyder Ali died of cancer during the course of the war. After the death of Hyder Ali in 1782, his son Tipu Sultan continued the war against the English. Tipu continued war to 1784. Second Anglo-Mysore War came to an end the Treaty of Mangalore. Third Mysore War. Tipu appointed French officers to give military training to his force. Joined French Jacobs clubs. Then 1797 conquered Badshah War. Third Mysore War came to an end the Treaty of Srirangapattinam. Fourth Mysore War, 1st May 1799. Tipu killed by Lord Wellesley. The Fourth Mysore War came to an end the Treaty of Srirangapattinam. First Anglo-Maratha War. The third Peshwa Balaji Bajirao died in 1761 due to shock after his defeat at Third Battle of Panipat. The son Madhavarao succeeded him. The English were aware of the growing Maratha power. When Madhavarao died, there was tussle for power in the Maratha camp. Result of the First Anglo-Maratha War. In 1781, Warren Hastings dispatched British troops. He defeated the Maratha chiefs Mahadaji Scindia. The First Anglo-Maratha War came to an end the Treaty of Salbai. Second Anglo-Maratha War. The Maratha Confederacy consists of 5 major chiefs: the Peshwa at Pune, the Gaekwads Baroda, the Golgars Indore, the Scindias at Gwalior, and the Bhonsle at Nagpur. The Golgars of Indore defeated the Peshwa and the Scindias. Bajirao II British production. The Scindias and the Bonsleys did not accept this treaty, and this caused the Second Anglo-Maratha War. Result of the Second Maratha War. The Maratha power was gradually weakened. The English East India Company started becoming the paramount power in India. Third Anglo-Maratha War. One last attempt to rebuild their old prestige, and they wanted to retake all their old possessions from the English. The major reason for this war was due to the British conflict with the Pindaris, whom the British suspected were being protected by the Marathas. Peshwa Bajirao II forces, supported by those of Muthoji II Bhonsle of Nagpur and Malkar Rao Kolkar III of Indore, rose against the East India Company. Result of Third Anglo-Maratha War. The Maratha Confederacy was dissolved and the Peshwaship was abolished. The Bajirao II, the last Peshwa of Maratha, was given annual pension of 8 lakh rupees. Doctrine of lapse. Under the region of Lord Dalhousie, they adopted the policy of lapse. According to this policy, the ruler who does not have any legal heir could not pass on their property to the adopted son, and it would be taken by British. Sadara 1848, Sambalpur 1850, Jhansi 1854 were annexed by this policy. Subsidiary alliance Lord Wellesley. The ruler was provided with military security. Then a British company resident was kept in the court. Indian king should pay amount towards cost of resident. The ruler should not negotiate with other ruler of anything. Students, answer the following in detail. Write an essay on Second Carnatic War. Write in your social note and send it to me. Children, hope you enjoy this lesson. Thank you, students.